Dear students, good morning. So far, we have completed 16 chapters up to congruence. Now, move on to next chapter 17, construction. In this video, you will learn how to draw a line parallel to a given line and passing through a given point. First, this is the line given to you. This is line L, and the point P is also given. You can mark it anywhere outside the line. Then mark a point A on the line L. Now join AP. Take a compass, convenient radius, keep A as a center, draw an arc, which cuts the line L at C and line segment AP at B. Without changing the radius, keep P as a center, draw an arc which cuts the line segment AP at D. Now measure the length of BC. Now take this radius, keep D as a center, draw an arc which cuts the previous arc at E. Now join EP and extend on both sides. This is the line M, which is the parallel to the given line L. And one more thing, now this is the angle, that is angle LAP is equal to angle EPA. These both angles are equal, that is alternate angles are equal, then the line L is parallel to M. You have studied in parallel lines, you have studied alternate angles are equal, then the given two lines are parallel. Now move on to next question. To draw a line parallel to a given line at a given distance, that is 3 cm from it. For example, I have taken 3 cm in this question. Draw a line L, put arrow mark, this is line L. Mark any 2 point on L, that is P, 1 point, one more point, Q. Now we have to construct 90 degree. Keep P as a center and Q as a center. We have to construct 90 degree. You have studied how to construct 90 degree angle in class 6 onwards. First, you have to draw an arc here. Also it should cut the line L on both sides. Now it cuts, mark it, this is A and B. Now keep A as a center, draw one arc, this cuts the previous arc at C. Then keep C as a center, one more arc which cuts the previous arc at D. Now keep C as a center, one arc, D as a center, one arc which cuts the previous arc at E. Now we will do the same process with the point Q as a center. We will follow it. First we have to draw an arc which cuts the line L at F and G. Now keep F as a center, draw one arc, that is H. Now H as a center, draw one more arc which cuts the previous arc at I. Now keep H as a center, draw arc and I as a center, one more arc which cuts the previous arc at K. Now join PE and extend it. The same way now you join QK and extend it, arrow mark, put on both sides. Now this is R and this is S, that is PR one line, that is ray, and QS is another line, another ray. Now we have to construct a parallel line at a distance of 3 centimeter. So in a ruler, using ruler, now we have to measure 3 centimeter. Now keep P as a center, draw an arc, the same way Q as a center, draw an arc which cuts the line, that is ray PR at T, and the second arc which cuts the QR ray at U. Now join TU. Extend on both sides. This is the line M which is parallel to given line L at a distance of 3 centimeter. Then how do you verify that this is a parallel line? M is a parallel line to the given line. Now you see that LQS, this angle is equal to QPR, this angle. This is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. We have constructed using the protector also you can measure it. So this is a corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. So the given two lines M and L are parallel to each other. In this way, you have to construct the parallel line at a given distance of 3 centimeter. Whatever the distance given, you have to use that distance, you have to construct it.